Fauci and others have stressed that, that is the best case scenario right now with all of the mitigation measures in place.
Dr. Fauci and Dr.
This
Birx
wave
from
of
the
infections
President's
that we're talking about.
Coronavirus Task Force are expected to provide more details this evening, but it seems like the country was just a little too late to the social distancing thing.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me, I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got.